Georgetown, a thunderstorm was reported 68. San Marcos thunder was reported 74. Vernon mostly sunny 71. Assumption sunny 80. And Camp Mabry was 67. Elsewhere.
Okay, guys, we're tracking this tornadic storm that came out of Austin, northeast around of Rockford. This is a tornado that's producing a lot of damage. Tracking it northeast, at times had massive amounts of debris falling out of the sky, all the way from Round Rock, all the way to the east there, to the west. Made it up to the south of Granger. Saw a large tornado cross the highway here, south of Granger, went northeast, went up over the radar site, may have hit the radar site, I'm not sure, and continued to track up to the northeast, and lost it back just to the northeast of Granger. Had a large tornado on the ground with massive debris. The debris on the scene has been horrendous, and now we're just coming into Buckholts, and I'm getting ready to go back west here. It's cycling. It has a big RFD. You see how it's inverted, but it's still producing damage. Immediately back to my west, just hit some more houses and damage, but this has been a long track, very destructive tornado. Also, I've got another bad tornado on the ground down here in Elgin. It's producing a very damaging tornado now. Also, we had a tornado, I guess, go through Dallas Metroplex a while ago. I haven't been able to keep up with that, but got another one down at Smithville, and we got this one is also producing a very large destructive tornado in progress now to my south. That's at Elgin. That's also ongoing. Numerous reports of damage down there as well. That tornado's moving northeast and up here on this one. This is the one. This is the monster. It came out of the Red Rock area, been falling all the way. So far, right now it's in a cycle stage. Got RFD. There's the rain-free base. At times, the tornado will come down very quickly, as it will here again shortly, probably, as it recycles. But we're going to Buckholts, and we'll see what happens here, because it's going to, thank you for your support. Yep. Same mounted here. You guys can watch here. Lots of damage southeast around. Like I said, again, the tornado was on the ground for about 10 minutes before the warning went out. It's just, it is what it is. Okay, got a new warning. Stand by.
Has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Williamson County,
that's
southwestern Lee County until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located 7 miles east of Copeland, or 8 miles northeast of Elgin, moving northeast at 35
that's
miles
one
per
south.
hour.
That's one. Okay.
Damaging tornado at quarter size.
That's one back southwest. I make.
Source: public confirmed tornado.
Yep.
Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those.
That's the storm back south. We're up here. That's about roughly 25 miles. Yeah, cross slice 30 miles to my south. That tornado also exhibiting as a large destructive tornado now, southeast of Copeland, just passed through Elgin, very close to Elgin. May have created damage, and we'll see what we've got here back west southwest. Got some really crazy storms here. This storm, I can tell you, the storm that came out of the Round Rock has produced major damage. And again, I've not been witness to the entire path, but I can tell you the amount of debris falling out of the sky as it came out of a very populated area just south of Round Rock. I was talking to the 911 operator, the sheriff, and told her the tornado was crossing I-35. You can see the large wedge and debris coming out of south of Round Rock. You'll probably look at the interstate Google Maps, and you'll see damage and stuff. Okay, I've got all kinds. Got to watch what we're doing here. We're at Buckholts on Road going south. I've got a bowl back southwest coming up at me. Got to see if we're going to get a tornado coming down here. Got another warning coming up. This storm is doing it's doing a cycle. It's okay. I got another tornado warning coming. Got circulation immediately.
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Bastrop County, south central Lee County.
Okay, I got a bowl right in front of me. There's a circulation back.
45 p.m. Central Daylight
Bowl there, and I've got another bowl back immediately southwest of me. Two circulations are coming at me. Two circulations. Got one to west of me here. That's the old tornado. Is about 2 miles to the 2 mile west. I can see the bowl. See the bowl right there on the bowl. There's in the clear swamp. There's the bowl. That's the original tornado that came out of Austin. And I've got a new circulation, rapidly increasing bowl. I'm gonna pull this out of the holder so you can see this. You won't believe the circulation. Look at the circulation. This is the new circulation. It's a bowl between Buckholts, just coming over Buckholts. There's the old circulation to my northwest, and then there's a new one to immediately south of me here. So right southeast of me here, both these may produce tornadoes. The sky is spinning, it is spinning, this guy is spinning like Fortnite. Let me go just north here, look and see if this guy's tornado. If not, I'm gonna drop next southeast. I do not see a tornado again. That's old track circulation. I'm gonna stop. Let's just go right here on that train track. Nobody's behind me. Let's just get up here to see what we're gonna get here real quick. Let's go up on this train track and got another warning coming. Another tornado warning coming.
This is NOAA Weather Radio. Station WXJ27.
Whoa. We'll pull up right here at this farm and stop. Okay, we've got two circulations. One just south of me and one just to the northwest. This is using San Antonio radar, so I'm a long ways from San Antonio. There's the circulation, there's the new circulation up, and there's the old circulation there. This is one that's been producing all the tornadoes. The clouds above me are racing into the storm. That's the RFD coming in. So I got east winds above the surface, east-southeast winds racing into this circulation. That's the RFD punching northeast, and the tornadoes that will form right in this area. You can see all the inflow going in, and here's the low cloud of the old tornado. This is the new circulation forming. Look at the big spiraling band now. This is probably gonna start a tornado as it comes into Buckland. I do not see a tornado right now with this guy. I'm gonna go back to the storm. I think this guy's gonna start tornadoing back to my southeast. That's where I'm headed. If that doesn't do it, then I'm gonna go on south to the other damaging tornado, right? Yep. Yeah, that one's not tornado right now. I'm gonna go back southeast. This circulation's weakening. Still's got a bowl, still got a rotating bowl. The whole sky's rotating above me now. Very violently now. The circulation coming over me is violently, is rotating very, very hard now. Here comes the RFD, it's coming in from the southwest. No tornado immediately west of me. There is a circulation, new circulation intensifying. This is rain ramped coming in southeast of Buckholts. And there's rain ramp. Yep. Let's see what we got here. The old one in circulation is Rogers Buckholts. I'm gonna go back to Buckholts and see what happens. If not, guys, I'm gonna go over to Cameron, drop south, and get the tornado. That's a monster just to my south coming up. Now watch this one coming up here. These are moving northeast at 50. So far, this has produced damage approximately, not continuous, but approximately. This storm here has produced damage for 40 miles, on and off, but I will tell you at times it's a quarter-mile wide wedge. When it was up near Granger, heading toward the radar, but it was back southwest of Granger, I would say the tornado was probably, it might have been 3/4 of a mile wide, if not wider. It was a large, very destructive tornado, very damaging tornado as it headed up toward the radar site. And even the tornado was dumping debris out 4 miles south of the tornado, was to my northwest, and I had like leaf debris, paper, tar, sheet metal, 4 miles back to the southwest and southeast of the tornado couplet. It was raining debris in about a 4-mile radius around the tornado. That was going to be southwest of Granger, as it crossed the road to the north of Taylor, about 8 miles north of Taylor. Okay, here we go. Here comes the sirens. Here we go. Here comes this. Here comes. That's just it. Yeah, this is town. The fire department. Here's the circulation coming in. It's right here. Going in Buckholts. Circulation's coming in from southwest. It's rain wrapped. Again, I'm looking from San Antonio radar. This thing may produce a tornado. I'm going to get out of the circulation so I get ran over. But it is rotating. I do have a rotating couplet inside the rain. I can't see it. It's there. Look at the couplet, inbound, outbound. It's going right over. It's going right over Buckles right now. Let's see. I'm gonna stop the car. Get out, look real quick before it crosses the road. Boom! Look at that. Look at that gate to gate right there. The west side of it. Let's rise that. Let me see here. No, I'll go to the southern street. So I got east winds. That east winds at about 35 to 40. Look at this bowl, this big, huge, rotating bowl coming in. Look at this thing. I don't see a tornado at all. It's a big rotating supercell. The winds are on the east-northeast going into the bowl. My gut is, I'm heading east, and I've got an east wind about 40 miles an hour going into the circulation. There's a rain-wrapped tornado inside of here. Whoa, 50. Whoa, winds are really really strong. I'm gonna see if there's a tornado on the ground. Everybody slam on the brakes. We'll see what's going on. Got a deep east wind. I've got something going just north of the road there. Wow, see a big something dark going just west of Buckholts right now. Buckholts, yep. May just be the RFD on the one back west. Trying to see if it's a tornado or not. Right here at Buckholts. You see the circulation on Doppler, inbound, outbound. We got east winds, about 40 to 50 going into the bowl. Looks like a circulation went about 1 mile west of Buckholts here, but 1 mile west. The sky's rotating wildly immediately south of town here. The bowl's coming over me. Look at the bowl. Look at the rotation. It is absolutely screaming rotation. Okay, I'm gonna get out of the city. I think there's a tornado wrapped in rain south of the city here. It's coming in on me quick. I think there's a tornado coming in on me right here. Yep. This is rain rack. Look at the flags. There we go. Got a very violent tornado in my south.
Gusts up to 30 miles an hour this evening. Chance of rain near 100%. Tuesday, sunny, cooler with highs in the low 60s.
Super intense rotating current southwest of me.
10 to 20 miles an hour. Becoming 15 to 20 miles an hour in the afternoon. Gusts up to 30 miles an hour. The current time is the tornado warning for northeastern Bell County is canceled. The tornadic thunderstorm which
This has got a lot of inbound, outbound with it now. The storm is reorganizing right now. The culprit's reorganizing. It's going to race northeast, northwest of Cameron. It's reorganizing. The culprit's reorganizing over Buckholts right now. It's reorganizing. The inbound, outbound is getting better and organized together. It's going to start producing a major tornado to the northeast of, to the east northeast of Buckholts. The circulation is getting more in balance. It's getting more in balance. Intense circulation down north here. I'll show you the backside. There it is. There's a boat. It's heading more and more in balance now. Look at the sky. All this inflow is going into that tornado. There's a circulation. It's going to start tornadoing again as it gets up here near Van Arnhem and Burlington. It's going to start tornadoing right up through here. I'm going to drop south to the other tornado. You can see it. Go a long ways away. I'm dropping south to the tornado coming out. It's about 30 miles south. I'm going to cut southeast, go to Cameron and cut southeast to the tornado coming up from the south. We're going to go over here to 77, heading to Cameron. Okay, I'm out of that storm. Oh, looks like it's, looks like it's big bowls forming. Big bowls forming to my northwest. That's going to be north of Buckholts. New tornadoes developing. Big new wall cloud, big bowl. Okay, I'm heading over to Cameron. Let's go to this next tornado. Okay, got it. That looks really bad. Oh my gosh. We got a very violent tornado in progress to my south. Stand by. That tornado's that's gonna head over toward Molino, southeast of Rockdale. Large tornado is southwest of Rockdale. It's gonna go south of Rockdale. It's gonna go well south of Cameron, right? Yep, it's gonna probably go to College Station. Storm behind me. Whoa! Storm behind me has a large boil cloud now. Looks like the circulation is rapidly reforming. Yep. Just northwest of Buckholts. Yeah, it's to the north of Buckholts now. Rapidly reforming. It's almost too many tornadoes. You can hear me say that, did you? There we go. Tornado went through there. Let's go south of Dale, Molino, Causeway, Cameron. Okay, I'm going to Molino, track southeast down here. Let's see, Christmas directions. The next tornado, guys, is about 28 miles southwest of me. Southwest of me.
Continue on US Highway 190 East for 16 miles.
Thank you, Chris. Tornado damage in Elgin. Numerous reports of Elgin. They called one of my fire captains down here. Tell me where you're at. I'll help you. Tell me where you're at. Okay, go southeast toward the Molino. Large damaging tornado coming out of, just hit Elgin. Massive damage in Elgin, and it's coming up right now. It's just south of Thorndale. I'm coming into Cameron right now. Go southeast down to Molino. It's gonna go just south of Molino, 2 miles. You'll be there in like 6 minutes. New tornado warning. It's going to Molino. It's gonna go between Cameron and Molino. I'm coming into Cameron right now. I know. The damage. The problem. I'm in a silver. There's a brand new tornado. When you stand by. Just a minute. Stand by.
A severe thunderstorm with history of producing a tornado was located between Rogers and Buckholts, or 10 miles northwest of Cameron.
Yeah, that's one behind me.
At 40 miles per hour. Hazard. Tornado.
No, I know. It recycled right over Buckholts. I was over there too.
Reported funnel cloud.
Are you in Cameron, or are you back behind me? No, I know. I know. I saw it. Somebody just reported. Okay, there's a tornado funnel northwest of Buckholts. Funnel cloud reporting 708. I'm in Cameron. I'm getting ready to go south. Okay. Yeah, the tornado has a history. The one south is in Virgin Freight air mass. This up here, I'm 72 degrees here, but the farther south you go, the warmer it is, and that's why I think they're staying more violent. But yeah, this is pretty bad. It's what happened is there's a cell merger. It RFD'd out on the Buckholts storm, and it's cell merger, and now the couple is getting more imbalanced again. It's going to start tornadoing really bad north of Buckholts. The whole storm is changed shapes dramatically in the last 5 minutes. I know. No, come to Cameron. Come to Cameron. This is the storm of the day. Forget that. It's getting messy and gungy to the northeast. I think this. Yep. I know. I saw the same thing. Buddy. That's why I pulled off of it like 4 minutes ago. Okay, I've got a large tornado on the ground now. I got a large damaging tornado now. Let me tell you where it's going. Okay, massive tornado in progress now. I'll tell you where it's going to go. It's 8 miles northwest of Lexington. 8 miles northwest of Lexington. Okay, and from Thorndale, it is 10 miles southeast of Thorndale. It's going to track about 2 to 3 miles south of Molino. 2 to 3 miles south of Molino is where this large damaging tornado is going to track. It's going to go south of Gauze and northwest of Caldwell. Okay. What are you driving? You driving your fire truck or? Okay, what color is it? Okay. Have you heard about any other damage or injuries from your? Right, that's the one. You're talking about the one that was at Red Rock or Round Rock? Right. What kind of damage pictures you got out of there? Okay, but you got big major structures damaged in south of Round Rock in Austin from the fire command. Okay, gotcha. So you're, yeah, 2, right. I know. Come to Cameron, buddy. Come to Cameron quickly. Get south of Molino. You're going to see a large damaging tornado. Bye. Okay, I was, Randy Zinsser is another chaser, but he's also retired fire lieutenant out of the Austin Department, just retired about a month ago. He also said that his fire command south of Round Rock has found major damage to commercial buildings near I-35. That was a big wedge tornado we filmed earlier coming out of just south of Round Rock across I-35. Got numerous law officials here at this area. But large damaging tornado came out of that area. Going south, we're going to go south down here. We're on 77, 190. We're going to make the loop. We're going to make the bend. Just stay with us. We'll see if the radar stays on. Just stay with us. Large tornado continues on the ground now. It's back to my southwest. We're going to easily get to the store in time. We're going to be at Molino in about 5-7 minutes. We're in the forward flank rain. Bear with me. We're going to see if it's still a tornado when we get down there. It's now the attributes only the South Florida tornado. This is not very far. Coming away southwest of me, 24 miles. Tornado southwest of me, 24 miles. I'm going to go down here. I'm going through the rain right now, and the tornado is going to go very near and just south of Molino. Is that how you pronounce it? Texas, Molino, Texas. South of Rockdale. Large damage tornado south of Rockdale. One south here, guys, is a bad tornado. It's a very bad tornado on the Doppler Company. The Doppler Company is absolutely insanity. It is a very violent tornado south of me, southwest of me here. Just south of Molino here. It's not very far. I mean, about 23 to 24 miles southwest of me. Molino is 5 to 9 miles. Where I've got to is 8 miles south of me is where I got about 8 to 12 miles south of me. We're going to see the tornado. Look how dark it's getting south of me here, guys. Stick with me. We're going to see a tornado crossing down here. It's going to come from the southwest. It's going to be moving. Right now, it's a pretty doggone bad tornado. It might even hit Molino. Yep. Yeah, VTI 9.4. Thanks, Matt Haven. This is Barron tornado. It's 9.4 violent tornado coming in. It's going to go just south of Molino. Thanks, Matt Haven. Okay, winds are out of the east-northeast here. East. Really bad. Five miles of Molino. Tornado is now 20 miles southwest of Molino. I don't know if it's going to hit them or it'll go to the south of Molino. Everybody's pulling off because they know the big tornado's coming. Okay, guys, I've got to get a bunch of stuff ready. You got anybody in France that live on Highway 190? Highway 190. Guys, getting really dark. I've got dry air cutting in back to my northwest on the line. There's an 8 again. You guys are going to see the tornado very quickly as we come out of here, unless it's rain wrapped. Okay, right here's the fourth link of the rain. And about, once we get past Molino, I'll be out of the rain. You'll see it back to the southwest. We're about to intercept the tornado. Yep. I'll call the fly. Make sure the captain's watching up them. Fourth light. Okay, watch your stream. That the large damaging tornadoes coming up to the southwest. I'm going to be near Molino. It's going to be, I'm going to intercept them. Yes, large tornadoes coming up from the southwest. It's 12 miles southwest of me. It's BTI almost 10. It's doing massive damage. It's coming up. I'm going to be, you're going to see it. I'm in the rain now, but I'm about to break out the rain in 1 mile. And you're going to see the wedge on the ground southwest. All right, bye. Yep. Tornado still in progress. Okay, breaking through the fourth flank of the rain. Okay, tornado. Got an emergency, tornado emergency coming in. Yeah, I know. New tornado warning. Tell me take over immediately.
On the ground. Take cover now. If you are outdoors.
Guys, it's gonna get really hairy, really crazy, really fast here. I got a super focus.
Get to an interior room on the lowest floor of sturdy building and avoid windows.
I gotta get south of Molino. So I gotta get into Molino and go south.
Warning for North Central McLennan County and Central Texas, Eastern Johnson County.
Continue on US Highway 190 East for 3 miles.
County and Central Texas, Hill County and Central Texas, Ellis County in North Central Texas, northwestern Navarro County in North Central Texas until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Midlothian to 9 miles southeast of Lake Whitney State Park, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour.
Okay, coming in Molino.
60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for South Central Texas. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a tornado warning for North Central Lee County until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located 7 miles northwest of Lexington, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour.
Got staccato bolt lightning coming down.
Damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. The source, weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Coming to Molino now. Tornado's going to probably go about 3 to 4 south of town. As soon as I get south here, I'm going to stop and let the tornado come at me.
Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted.
But right now, it looks like it's going to go south of me about 2, maybe 3 miles.
On the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
So pretty soon, a very destructive tornado in progress.
In a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Caldwell, northeastern Guadalupe, southwestern Bastrop, and northwestern Gonzales counties. At 7:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Use any lane to turn left onto Avenue C, West Avenue C.
8 miles west of Louis, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and source, radar indicated.
Okay, here we go.
Impact, people and
Okay,
animals.
guys, it's going to get really, I've got to do a lot of stuff, so I'm just going to let the stream come up.
Continue on
You guys look at the tornado.
1 mile.
Windows.
Molino's right in the path of the tornado. It's going to be very close here.
Sighting and trees. Locations impacted include Seguin, Lockhart, Louis, Mustang Ridge, Kingsbury, Staples, Fitzroy, Palmetto State Park, Brownsboro, Joliet, Tillman, Stair Tower, Belmont, McNeil, McMahon, Liquid Spring.
And it's going to go just barely south of town here, about 2 miles, 2-3 miles max. Tornado should be blowing here in town. A lot of people are taking cover. Everybody's racing to shelter. That's a chase crew there. Yeah. People are racing. Okay. Thank you, Chris. New South back west. Okay.
In half a mile, turn right onto Texas 36 South.
Okay, we're gonna go south on 36 now. Okay, here we go. Okay, we're gonna go. It's gonna get really serious here, guys. So it's still tornadoing. Its circulation it's trying to
Turn right onto Texas 36 South.
it's weakened just slightly. I mean, it's went from extreme violent tornado to maybe came down a little bit. It's cycling. Okay, got these 18-wheelers going south. Okay, tornado is coming.
36 South.
It's gonna go about
10 miles.
It's coming. I've got the radar loop in here. Let me show you where I'm at. Hang on, taking out the getter here. Okay, here's the tornado. Watch the, I'm right up here. There's Molino. The attributes just south of here. It's going to go probably about 3 or 4 miles south of Molino there. See, I'm up here. I'm right up here. The trail's rapid. It's going to cross like right in here. I'm going to go down there. We're going to see it. So just hang on. You're going to see it out the window. I'm just going to point the camera. I've got a bunch of other stuff I've got to do. I'll put the camera that way. You'll see it momentarily. Okay, we're heading south now. Yeah. It's still tornadoing. It's still got a large debris ball down there, and I still see it's got a hole in the radar. Yeah, very violent tornado. Wow. Very extremely violent tornado southwest of me. So can I pass? Yes, I can. Got a debris ball southwest. Got a large debris ball back southwest. Tornado's coming up quick. Tornado's coming up quick from the southwest, guys. Sky's spinning. I can already see the sky spinning. Wow. Okay, very violent tornado in progress now. It's back to my southwest. Tornado's 12 miles and closing northeast at 50. It'll be here in about 9 minutes. It's gonna cross about 2 more miles down the road here. This is gonna be south of Molino, northwest of Caldwell, in central Texas. This storm has had a history of producing violent, damaging tornadoes back southwest. As soon as I see it, I'm out of the rain. Should see the tornado. The attribute's right over me, so it should be about a mile or two south of the attribute over me. Hopefully it's not rain wrapped. Lightning. 9 miles. It's getting really dark back southwest. Lots of lightning. I'm going to find a hill opening down here. Another mile or two, about 2 miles. Let me see where I'm at here. Another 3 miles, 2 to 3 miles. Yeah, it's ramping up. It's getting real intensified. Here to the next 2 miles where the trail's going to cross, and then taking violently now over my head. And you can see that this is looking from San Antonio radar, so it's pretty far off. You see that? Okay, just south of me, another couple miles. Really? Officers, that may have been the sheriff. Most people approaching. Let's see if I can see it. It should be right in this area. It's gonna be really close to this area. It's got some farms in here. And I'm starting to get to open pasture land now. Looks like it's Burleson. Burleson, is that the name of this town? Burleson? Yeah. Let's stop at this town. I think this town, that's not a good view right there. New tornado warning just issued. Stay right with us, guys. It's real weak cell coverage. Tornado warning 726. National Weather Service. Tornado northern Burleson County, 8 o'clock. 727. Third tornado was over Tangle Water, 7 miles north of Lexington, moving northeast at 35. Radar indicating flying debris. They've got it right here, guys. I'm just waiting for the data update. Yeah, I'm back. Just hang with me here, guys. I'm up with the trees, and this is the best place here. I'm looking for the tornado. It just cycled back southwest. Here comes the guy. Let me tell this farmer. He probably knows, maybe doesn't know. Let me stop this farmer here. There's a couple of farmers coming in right here. Let me know. That tornado is going to be within a mile of this, either north of us or south of us. It's 9 miles west, and it's coming here at 50 miles an hour. It's still doing a lot of damage. It's going to cross right here, right where we're at. That's why I'm here. Okay, I see it on radar. Just heads up, you bet. Yeah, hey, buddy, tornadoes that should cross right here, guys.
Yeah, I'm just trying to find a decent visual.
I know there's not. I'm looking. Yeah. I'm looking too. But Eric Fox, he's trying to find the same deal. Everybody's trying to find a place to see the tornado. Okay, let me go back. There's a road open right here. It's recycling. I can see the rain-free base. I'm just trying to see them. Should be right. Well, what happens is you get about 200 chasers in the same area, and everybody overwhelms the cell networks out here in these rural areas, and it's everybody goes. Sheriff's reporting south. I don't. Found an opening, a little bit of an opening. Not great, a little one. Stop here. Okay, good. I found an opening. I can kind of see southwest. It's not perfect. It's not too bad.